Taoist detoxification exercise. Form 1. Swing arms to open up the heart and small intestine meridians. Form 2. Rotate the body to open up the liver and gallbladder meridians. Form 3. Fist clench with cross steps for kidney and bladder meridian flow. 30 reps per set. 2 steps to strengthen the spleen and remove dampness. Regulate the liver first. Tap the gallbladder meridian. Scrape the liver tendon and massage the earth tendon, soles. Then strengthen the spleen. Rub the abdomen clockwise and counterclockwise 36 times each, centered around the navel.